got me a phone. I want a phone.
Well, I'm sure you didn't get one.
I think it's fun. Don't try the big box thing.
Mama, this is a this. Mama, this is not for me.
You got your own DS? And what did Hannah get?
Thank you. Got me a phone.
It's not a phone.
Mom, this is a toy, Mama.
OMG!
What is that?
I had no idea.
Show the camera.
This is not DS.
Mom, why don't you turn the on button on
It's
it?
a tablet.
Tablet? Awesome.
It's on the...
This is a cool thing.
You gotta hold it for a second or two.
Oh, or maybe this is the power button.
There you go.
Wow, I've never let him on it. Never.
What is it?
Now I can finally show off to my friends. It's an Android.
You know what an Android is?
Show the
She just
camera.
read that. She just read it.
Show the camera.
No, I've seen
Show the camera.
Androids before. Do they have a home page for this?
This is the idea.
Connor, what do you want Santa to bring you?
I need to see this nature piece.
And what else?
It's some stars too. And he has some stars on his ears. And he has some of these. And he has some these shooters. He has some stars.
He did? Did Santa bring it to you?
Yes.
Show Mommy. Let me see. Let me see his mater teeth. He did. And he does have shooters and stars. Wow. You say thank you, Santa.
Did you say that?
Merry Christmas.